Today is November 11, 2023. I just went to the store and I came back home and I found that we have some neighbors thinking they're funny putting out Christmas lights before me. So we're going to fix that right now. These are 3 strings of C9 opaque or frosted, whatever you want to call it, lights that I used in the deck. These are the only ones that I can actually find where they are, because for whatever reason these were not put away with everything else. I guess I must have left them out for longer, so these was on the edge of the basement, so I was able to grab these without tearing the whole house apart. So let's check these and make sure they work, and then we'll go ahead and put them out and just replace the summer lights with these. I hope there's 3 strings here because that's what it requires. And I do connect all 3 strings together, even though I believe that's over the recommended number that the strings tag says, but in theory, based off of the amps of the fuse and the gauge of the wire, it's not beyond what's electrically sound. And I had it all like that last year and there was no problems. So this must be the string that goes under the stairs, I guess. I don't really remember how I hooked this up. It might actually require 2 connections, I don't remember. Yeah, you know what? It is. It's 3 strings across the top, and then I have an additional string that goes on the other side of the railing. So that's the end strings. It's a little bit too long. Beautiful. There's few things that scream Christmas more than a set of opaque C9 lights. Unfortunately, a lot of these are not working, so I don't know if they're just loose or they're burnt out. Looks like they're going to be loose. That one's going to go out. That one's not working. That's not working. That's loose. No good. No good. No good. Loose. Actually, that's broken. Is it busted? No. Huh. That's a little weird. There's like a defect in the bottom of the bulb, like a soldering thingamabobber there. Oh yeah, no, it is defective. I thought it didn't feel right. The end of the bulb has come off. That bulb is no good. Jeez. Huh. So actually, a lot of these aren't working. Not good. I need a lot of bulbs. I have them. Gotta find them. That's across the way. Wow. Okay. Not good. There was a lot of bulbs. And that took out the fuse. Oh, okay. Well, I guess we're not off to a good start here. I gotta get the fuse box opened up now. Gotta go get a screwdriver. Okay, as you can see here, the fuse has exploded. So let's replace the fuse. It seems to have come with a spare one, which is nice. Jeez, that was catastrophic. Wow. Not good. These fuse is a 5 amps. And the wire is probably 18. $20 can carry 5 amps. And don't get in that stupid comment box telling me that I broke it because I put too many together, because I operated like that for the entirety of last year with no problems. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I can't find the spare bulbs right now, so we're just going to make 2 good strings out of the 3 and get them out on the deck. And then in a couple days from now, when I have time to be digging through the stuff down here, I'll get the spare bulbs and fix it and then put the rest of them out. Okay, we're back upstairs and I'm going to replace all the spoiled bulbs from the last string, or from the first 2 strings, with the bulbs from the last string. And we'll just put the 2 out for now and start there. I get 6 bulbs out from the first string, which is quite a few bulbs for sets that are not that old. It's a little concerning. dud. Not good. Another dud. Not good. Alright, that's one strand working. Why am I sticky over here? Why? What the heck? Now where on earth did that come from? And a whole fresh blotch of sticky stuff on my pants. But where did it come from? I thought I cleaned all that up. Oh, come on. I hate sticky. Okay, whatever. That is so stupid. Whatever. This is out of order. It should go white. No, red, blue, white. This should be white here. Normally I don't care too much about the order, but in this case, because it's like in a line on the railing, you can see it, so it's got to be correct. Red, white, orange, green. So we should have a red here. That's shot. Okay, so is that one. This one sounds bad, but I'll check it anyways. That's our line. It works. Listen to this thing, it sounds awful. But it's working, so we'll use it. Okay. So this one should be white. It's like all these are swapped. It's really strange. Yeah, all the white and orange are inverted on this screen. What the heck is up with that? That is really peculiar. That's going to go out. Okay, so now we have two strings that are correct, working, right order. And And then just for the sake of curiosity, let's see how, whoops, shoot, I forgot I'm sticky now. Let's see how much of this works still. How much of this is, how many of these bulbs actually work. Okay, that's no good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 9 working bulbs on this string. So I pretty much got to buy a whole box of 25 to fix this string. So I'll go ahead and do that after I put these lights up. Wow. How many bulbs are going through already? Not good. 2 good working strings. There we go. It's not what it should be, but it's what it can be until I find the bulbs. And thus begins Christmas 2023.